With over 150 exhibitors from hotels, travel agencies, and airlines, participants can surely enjoy the hottest deals for their next getaway.
Waterfront Cebu City Hotel and Casino is promoting or selling discounted vouchers for our food and beverage products. So we have vouchers for 500 pesos and 1,000 pesos respectively. If you buy in bulk, we have a 10+1 promo. So for every 10 vouchers purchased, we have free 1 voucher. In behalf of ITF 2024, I would like to invite everyone to come and visit the exhibit from 9 a.m. until 8 p.m.
Plus, exhibitors from Luzon and Mindanao are also part of this year's travel fair.
You name it, we have everything. Yeah, we have waterfalls, hot springs, cold springs, white and sandy beaches. We have many beautiful dive spots. That's why we're inviting you all to come to Camiguin and experience, our bountiful, our rich culture and tradition, as well as our beautiful nature.
For those who also want to travel abroad, visa specialists are around to cater to their needs. ITF 2024 is also in partnership with schools through its various activities involving the academe, such as a tour guiding competition. Visitors may also drop by the food city where numerous delectable treats are available. This tourism initiative has truly brought together families as well as local and foreign tourists alike.
I've traveled the Philippines quite a bit. I've been almost everywhere. It's more just using this event to network and meet people, see what kind of connections you can make. Philippines is a big place, lots of islands.
We are very happy to see and witness the booths nga daghan kayo siyang options to choose from. As a family man god, we are planning to travel, pwede outside or pwede po diri sa Cebu. So we are looking for a hotel or resort na maka-accommodate na mo during summertime.
This has been Queenie Holigon for MyTV Cebu.